Are you looking to maximize the benefits of Cialis but unsure about managing potential side effects, finding optimal uses, and determining the correct dosage? Look no further, as we are here to provide you with all the information you need. Cialis is a widely popular medication known for its effectiveness in treating erectile dysfunction, ED, and benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. However, understanding how to navigate the potential side effects, finding the right situations to use Cialis, and determining the correct dosage can be a daunting task. That's where we come in. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the various side effects of Cialis and provide you with practical tips on how to manage them. We will also explore the optimal uses of Cialis, including when and how to take it for the best results. Lastly, we will delve into the importance of correct dosage and how to determine the right amount for your individual needs. Get ready to unlock the full potential of Cialis and enhance your overall sexual experience. Understanding the benefits of Cialis. Cialis, also known by its generic name Tadalafil, is a medication primarily used to treat erectile dysfunction, ED, and benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. It belongs to a class of drugs called phosphodiesterase type 5, PDE5, inhibitors, which work by increasing blood flow to certain areas of the body, including the penis. One of the key benefits of Cialis is its long-lasting effect. Unlike other ED medications, such as Viagra, Cialis can provide relief for up to 36 hours, earning it the nickname, the weekend pill. This extended duration allows for greater spontaneity and flexibility when it comes to sexual activity. Additionally, Cialis has been found to be effective in treating BPH, a condition characterized by an enlarged prostate gland. By relaxing the smooth muscles in the prostate and bladder, Cialis can improve urinary symptoms associated with BPH, such as frequent urination or difficulty in starting and maintaining a steady stream. Common side effects of Cialis. Like any medication, Cialis can cause certain side effects. While not everyone experiences these side effects, it's important to be aware of them to ensure a safe and comfortable experience. Common side effects of Cialis include headache. This is the most commonly reported side effect of Cialis. It is usually mild and can be alleviated with over-the-counter pain relievers. Indigestion and upset stomach. Some individuals may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, including indigestion, bloating, or acid reflux. Taking Cialis with food or adjusting the dosage can help minimize these effects. Muscle and back pain. Cialis may cause muscle aches and back pain, which typically resolve on their own within a couple of days. If the pain persists or becomes severe, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional. Flushing and nasal congestion. Cialis can cause facial flushing, characterized by a warm sensation and redness of the face. It may also lead to nasal congestion or a runny nose. These effects are usually temporary and subside as the medication wears off. Vision changes. In rare cases, Cialis may cause changes in vision, such as blurred vision or a blue-green tinge. If you experience any vision changes, it is essential to seek immediate medical attention. Managing and minimizing side effects. While the side effects of Cialis can be bothersome, they are generally mild and temporary. Here are some practical tips to help you manage and minimize these effects. Take Cialis with food. Taking Cialis with a meal can help reduce the likelihood of experiencing indigestion or an upset stomach. Avoiding fatty or heavy meals can further minimize the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help alleviate muscle aches and back pain associated with Cialis. Hydration also aids in flushing out any potential toxins from the body. Adjust the dosage. If you are experiencing bothersome side effects, it may be worth considering a lower dosage of Cialis. Consult with your healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dose for your needs. Practice relaxation techniques. If you find yourself experiencing headache or flushing, practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can help alleviate these symptoms. Taking a warm bath or using a cold compress on your forehead may also provide relief. Communicate with your partner. Open communication with your partner about the potential side effects of Cialis can help alleviate any concerns or discomfort. Your partner's understanding and support can contribute to a more positive sexual experience. Remember, if you have any concerns or if the side effects persist or worsen, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional for further guidance and support. Optimal uses of Cialis. To maximize the benefits of Cialis, it is essential to understand the optimal uses of this medication. Here are some key factors to consider. Timing. Cialis can be taken as needed or on a daily basis. If you anticipate sexual activity, taking Cialis approximately 30 minutes before can help ensure its effectiveness. However, if you prefer spontaneity, a daily low dose of Cialis may be more suitable. Sexual stimulation. Cialis works by enhancing the natural response to sexual stimulation. It is important to note that Cialis alone does not cause an erection. Engaging in foreplay or other forms of sexual stimulation is necessary for the medication to take effect. Avoiding alcohol and grapefruit juice. Consuming alcohol or grapefruit juice while taking Cialis may increase the risk of side effects or reduce the effectiveness of the medication. It is advisable to avoid or limit the intake of these substances. Compatibility with other medications. Certain medications, such as nitrates or alpha blockers, can interact with Cialis and cause adverse effects. It is crucial to inform your healthcare professional about all the medications you are currently taking to ensure their compatibility with Cialis. By considering these optimal uses of Cialis, you can enhance the effectiveness of the medication and enjoy a more satisfying sexual experience. Correct dosage guidelines for Cialis. Determining the correct dosage of Cialis is essential to ensure its effectiveness and minimize the risk of side effects. The recommended starting dose for most individuals is 10 mg, taken prior to sexual activity. However, your healthcare professional may adjust the dosage based on your specific needs and medical history. It is important to note that Cialis should not be taken more than once a day. Exceeding the recommended dosage can increase the likelihood of side effects and may not enhance the medication's effectiveness. If you are considering a daily low dose of Cialis, the recommended dosage is 2.5 mg or 5 mg, taken at the same time each day. This allows for continuous coverage and eliminates the need for timing sexual activity. Always follow your healthcare professional's instructions regarding the dosage of Cialis. They will consider various factors, such as your overall health, other medications you may be taking, and the severity of your condition, to determine the appropriate dosage for you. Tips for maximizing the benefits of Cialis. To truly maximize the benefits of Cialis, consider the following tips. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle can contribute to optimal sexual function. Engaging in regular physical activity, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and getting enough sleep can all enhance the effectiveness of Cialis. Prioritize open communication. Discussing your sexual health and needs with your partner can help create a supportive and understanding environment. Open communication can lead to a more fulfilling sexual experience for both partners. Explore other forms of sexual intimacy. While Cialis can be a valuable tool in enhancing sexual function, it's essential to remember that intimacy goes beyond the act of intercourse. Explore other forms of sexual intimacy, such as cuddling, kissing, or sensual massages, to maintain a strong emotional and physical connection with your partner. Be patient. Cialis may not work immediately for everyone. It may take a few attempts before finding the optimal dosage or timing that works best for you. Patience and perseverance are key in maximizing the benefits of Cialis. Potential interactions with other medications. As mentioned earlier, Cialis can interact with certain medications, potentially leading to adverse effects. It is crucial to inform your healthcare professional about all the medications you are currently taking, including prescription drugs, over-the-counter medications, and herbal supplements. This will help them determine the compatibility of Cialis with your current medication regimen. Some medications that can interact with Cialis include nitrates. Medications used to treat chest pain or heart conditions, such as nitroglycerin or isosorbide mononitrate. Combining Cialis with nitrates can cause a severe drop in blood pressure, leading to dizziness, fainting, or even a heart attack. Alpha blockers. Medications used to treat high blood pressure or prostate conditions, such as doxazosin or terazosin. When taken together with Cialis, alpha blockers can cause a significant drop in blood pressure, resulting in lightheadedness or fainting. Other PDE5 inhibitors. Taking multiple PDE5 inhibitors, such as Viagra or Levitra, together with Cialis can increase the risk of side effects and may not enhance the effectiveness of the medications. Always consult with your healthcare professional before starting or stopping any medication while taking Cialis to ensure your safety and well-being. Consulting with a healthcare professional. While this guide provides valuable information on maximizing the benefits of Cialis, it is important to remember that everyone's situation is unique. Consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial to receive personalized advice and guidance based on your specific needs and medical history. A healthcare professional will evaluate your overall health, any underlying medical conditions, and the medications you are currently taking to determine the most appropriate use and dosage of Cialis for you. They can also address any concerns or questions you may have, ensuring your safety and satisfaction with the medication. Conclusion. Cialis offers a wide range of benefits for individuals experiencing erectile dysfunction or benign prostatic hyperplasia. By understanding and managing potential side effects, finding optimal uses, and determining the correct dosage, you can maximize the effectiveness of Cialis and enhance your overall sexual experience. Remember to communicate openly with your healthcare professional and partner, follow the recommended guidelines for dosage and usage, and prioritize a healthy lifestyle to fully unlock the benefits of Cialis. With the right approach, Cialis can be a valuable tool in improving your sexual health and well-being. Thanks for watching.